Okay, we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing integers. A couple different ways you can think about it. One way is a tic-tac-toe board with plus signs on this diagonal and negative signs everywhere else. And it works with multiplication or division. So a positive times a negative is a negative. Negative times a positive is a negative. And a negative times a negative is a positive. Or you can think of it as if they have the same signs and you're multiplying or dividing, the answer is positive. If they have different signs and you're multiplying or dividing, the answer is negative. So if we look at some examples. Number 1, 3 times negative 4. Signs are different, so I know when I multiply it's going to be a negative. 3 times 4 is 12. Example 2, negative 16 divided by 2. Again, signs are different, so it's a negative. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Example 3, negative 6 times negative 7. Signs are the same, so the answer is positive. And 6 times 7 is 42. Example 4, negative 24 divided by negative 6. Well, signs are the same, so it's going to be positive. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Now, if I'm multiplying two or more than two numbers together, then this is 4 times negative 5. Well, if I take 4 times negative 5, signs are different, so it's a negative. 4 times 5 is 20, and then I have to multiply it by negative 2. So now these signs are the same, so negative times a negative is a positive, and 20 times 2 is 40. Now, example 6, 20 divided by 40. Well, 40 doesn't go into 20 evenly, but we can reduce the fraction. In other words, 10 goes into both 20 and 40. Actually, 20 goes into both 20 and 40 also. So we can take 20 goes into 20 one time, 20 goes into 40 two times. Now this negative sign, since there's a positive and a negative, it's going to be a negative. You can either write the negative out in front, on top, or the bottom. Most of the time, we're just going to put the negative out front, so negative 1/2.